Hello guys, welcome back to Income Connect TV. Adesuwa Victor Oduayo here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to sell your shares and withdraw the proceeds directly into your bank account from the Bamboo app. The last time I shared on how to deposit money on the app and also buy your first shares. So today it's a lesson on how you can sell your share and also transfer the money to your bank account. So stay tuned as I take you step by step on how to go about this. So sell your shares and withdraw your proceeds into your bank account on the Bamboo app. This is how you go about it step by step. You click on the app, and when it opens, you can log in with your PIN. When you input your PIN, it opens. Let me go to the home page and let me show you step by step. Alright, this is the home page, and as you can see, I have some money on the app in Naira. I have portfolios in the Nigerian stock exchange market. You can also have portfolio in the US stock exchange market. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be selling one of the shares in my Nigerian stock exchange portfolio. And all you need to do when you are on the home page is to click on the NGN stocks. And when it opens, you will see the list of the stocks you have. You can click on see all to see all the stocks you have. Underneath my stocks, you have featured stocks. These are all the available stocks that are in the Nigerian stock exchange market. This is more relevant when you want to buy. So let me go to my stocks. I click on see all, and for the purpose of this video, let me just demonstrate with the first share, which is the Access Holdings, and you click on it on the stock you wish to sell, and as you can see, there is the buy button and the sell button. In this case, I want to sell, so I'll click on the sell button. Then you have two options. You can sell now, or you sell using the limit order. Let me briefly show you how to use the limit order. You click on the limit order button, and it gives you an opportunity to set the price at which you wish to sell. Like, as you can see, there is a range of price. We have 20.70 to 25 naira. You can set it to whichever price you wish your sell command to be executed. So after setting, then you click on proceed. So, but I want to sell now, so I'll just go to the sell now button and click on that. Right now, I just have a total of 125 shares in Access Holdings, and the price per share presently is 23.15, 23 naira 15 kobo, and the current value of my shares is 2,893.75. So if you are satisfied with the what you've gotten from your shares and you want to sell this particular share, then you can put the number of shares you want to sell. Like I have 125, I can decide to sell 100. I can decide to sell the total number of shares I have. So in this case, I'll sell all the total number that is remaining. So after imputing the number of shares, then you click on review order. So you can go through the order you have made, and as you can see, all the parameters are here. The estimated amount is 2,893, but there are charges that comes with executing trades like this. So the brokerage fee, stamp duty, trade alert, then VAT. So these will be deducted from the total amount. So at the end of the day, what you can withdraw is 2,799.75. So in this case, I'll go ahead and click on place order. So it's sending the order now, and very soon the order will be executed successfully. So sometimes, yes, it's successfully executed. So I can go back and view my NGN portfolio, and the NGN wallet, as you can see, I can go ahead and the order for 125 shares have been executed successfully. So I can go ahead now and click on transfer. Deposit is when you want to put some money into the app to buy shares. Right now, I just sold my share and I want to withdraw the money into my bank account. So I'll click on transfer, and then I will transfer the amount I wish to. So, but right now the money has not dropped yet in my NGN wallet. So what you can do in this case is to go back and then go to the home page and refresh. So let's refresh and see. So I've refreshed, and as you can see, the money is now in my NGN wallet, 2,851.77. So I'll go ahead to transfer this money directly to my bank account. You click on NGN wallet, and when it opens, you go to transfer. Just as you can see now, the balance is now showing. The cash balance 2,851.77 is now showing. Then you can select the destination you wish to send the money to, which is the bank account. So a payment fee of 45 naira will be charged if you are sending to a bank account. Then you click on continue. Okay, before then I have not entered the amount, so you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, 45 naira will be charged, so in this case I'll just put 2,800 naira. So I'll click on continue. Then I've imputed a bank account before now, so I will use that same bank account to receive my funds. You also have the option down here of adding a new bank account. So I can click on add a new bank account, and after that impute the account I wish to transfer to. But in this case, I want to use the account I have here already. So I'll click on the UBA account, and this is the total money, and I'll click on proceed. Then I will impute my PIN, and yes, the transfer is loading, and in just a while it's successfully executed. So the transfer has been successfully executed. I can view the transaction, and uh, I'll be expecting the money now in my bank account. So that is exactly how you sell your share and withdraw the money to your bank account using the Bamboo app. So thank you for following through to the end of the video. Please do well to subscribe if you have not, so that you will not miss any income generating video, or any video or any of the content that connects you to income making opportunities. So share this video with other people who are starting out in the stock market, especially beginners who wants to know how to use the Bamboo app. Please share this video with them. Leave a like, and whatever question you have, please leave your question and comment in the comment section of the video, and I'll see you right in the next video. God bless you.